In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access your iCloud photos on your iPhone. So first things first, go to your settings app. It's the gear icon on your phone. And then once here, you want to tap on your Apple ID or iCloud account there at the very top. Should say your name or username. And then once here, you want to scroll down about midway, and you should see the option to tap into iCloud. Tap into iCloud now, and you should see all of the different apps and things that are being saved to iCloud. You want to tap into Photos. So go to Photos there, and it should show you that if you are syncing this phone to iCloud, over to the right, and green means enabled, it lets you know how much storage you have, how many photos and videos are on the cloud or in iCloud now, and the status. So it's currently syncing these photos or items from my phone to iCloud. Now, if you wanted to, you could just tap into the button here that says download and keep originals, which will download everything from iCloud onto your current device. But you may run into storage options, so you may want to individually kind of decide what you download. In order to do that, close out or get out of the settings there and open up a new browser. Doesn't matter, can be Safari or Chrome, doesn't really matter. Once you're here, open a new browser tab and go to iCloud.com. Once you're here, it's going to prompt you to sign in. So go ahead and sign in to your iCloud account from the website or URL. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with the homepage of your iCloud account here. If you scroll down, you see your email address, all the information. If you go right here where it says photos, you can tap into it here. Or if you wanted to, you can tap the little squares in the upper right-hand corner to bring up everything, all of the options, and you can tap into photos. This will basically take you to your iCloud photos. Once you're on your iCloud photos, what you can do is you can select into individual photos like I've done here. You can delete them, you can get information about them, but the easiest way to download individual photos would be to go to the circle with the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, or yours may be kind of at the bottom depending on the size of the image. Tap on the circle with the three dots and you can get info, you can favorite, you can download, or you can go to more download options if you wanted to. But if we download this here, it's going to download that. And you can go to view or download just like so, and it will download it to your current photos on your device. To get back to your list of photos, you can swipe left or right there to get to the different photos, or you can tap the back button there in the upper left-hand corner to get back to your master list of photos. Again, you go to a browser and you should be good to go. If you have any questions, put those down below. We'll see you guys in the next video.